jumping jacks. Starting 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
You know I saw that. Okay. Take a break. Two lunches.
10 lunches.
I don't need 20 hours.
You're up to 30. We're going to do 30. Do you need to split it 15 and 15? Okay.
You think that will stop me? Lunch is starting 3, 2, 1. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
What?
Cover your mouth and say excuse me when you burp. That's the polite thing to
Maybe
do. Get
just
you
one.
worn out. It's not human.
Maybe just Thirty squats. Starting 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 32, 33,
That's the
34,
Mom,
34,
30 is it.
36, I'm starting my age, 37,
40.
38, yep, 39,
You're not 40.
40.
You're
Woo.
41. You're not 41. We don't
I
have
wouldn't put my mouth on those pants because dogs spit and kick dirt
I think
and
we
all
do.
other kinds of stuff on those pants. If you want that kind of stuff in your mouth, you go ahead and keep putting your mouth on those pants.
I'm not putting my mouth on them. I'm just living it.
Okay. And Maggie says we're done.
with that round.
Okay. I'm sorry, Rose, I can't hear you. Can you speak up?
We're done with that round.
Okay.
Mama, would you lead some stretches?
After we do the next round?
Yeah.
Good.
Haven't you learned how to make a new sound?
Okay. Get up, everybody. That's how we're doing the next round, unless you want to do it on the floor.
What is the exercise, man?
Jumping jacks, marches, and squats, the same thing. Not moving around. Okay, everybody get up, please. So I'm talking to you too.
Ready?
After
You don't have to wait for me.
no, you didn't. Jumping jacks start in 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Buffy,
7, 8,
get up!
9, 10, 11,
Get
12,
up!
13, 14, 15, 16,
Leave him alone!
18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
Leave him
23,
alone.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
But get up. Okay. Break. You're gonna get something for doing that to my little brother. Get up, buddy.
Okay, marches, come on, let's.
And please stay up.
Leave it, leave it.
Marches start in 3, 2, 1, go.
Whew. Hmm.
Hey. Classmate. Stop it. Stop it. Squats start at 3, 2, 1, go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
This is tiring.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
My feet.
25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30.
Yeah.
Woo!
It stretches. It stretches.
Let's go. When everybody catch their breath. Hold on. We just finished. Let's catch our breath.
I didn't squat her age this time.
Take a sip of your beverage. Whew.
Ow! Leave me alone!
Alright. Is everybody about ready for the...
Please. Please.
So first I want you to just start focus on your breathing. And raise your left arm up. Grab your wrist with your right arm. And bend and pull your arm gently to the right side. And then you're going to do that on the other side. Raise your arms up. And then bend forward from your hips. Try and touch the ground. If you're here, that's fine. Raise up when you're ready. Want to inhale. And then I want you to split your legs apart like this. Pivot one foot out. Just turn your foot to the side. And then start to work on that lunge. Side. Yeah. Opening up your hips and your spine. And then do it on the other side. Boom. And if you want, to increase your balance and stability, start raising the arm up to make it more of a challenge.
This is so painful.